You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those names. If you want to learn more character names from Dark Souls, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. You can skip to the end of the video, we got many more for you here. So let's break down how to pronounce those names. Ornstein, Ornstein, and rolling drums. Smough is how you pronounce it. If you want to learn why this is to be pronounced Smough and not Smough or Smough, stay tuned, I've got a video for you coming up in a second. Ornstein and Smough. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.